Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to generate random pictures by adding a few keywords to the AI art application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After it is loaded in, you should click on the this enter your prompt box and type in a few keywords containing the words that you want to include in your picture, and then tap on the generate button down below and you are going to find the generated picture created by the artificial intelligence. But first you need to watch a brief ad in order to continue this process. It might take a few seconds. After that you should tap on this button that you can find in at the top of the screen. Tap on done, click on the X button again, then tap on generate, and as you can see your picture is being generated by the application. So here you can find it. If you want to generate it again, tap on the generate again button down below in the left side corner of the screen, but you need to watch another ad to create the new picture. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.